In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file accessing permissions in Google Drive. This is an essential skill when you need to manage who can view or edit your files, especially when collaborating on Google Drive. Whether you're working on documents, spreadsheets, or folders, controlling access ensures your information stays secure and only the right people can interact with it. This is particularly useful when working on shared projects where multiple people need controlled levels of access. To begin, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're inside Google Drive, make sure you're viewing the main My Drive section so you can easily locate your stored files. It also helps you stay organized and quickly access important documents. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account before proceeding. From there, find the file or folder that you previously shared with someone. Scroll through your items or use the search bar if needed until you locate the correct one. After finding it, right-click on the file or folder to reveal the menu options, and then select the sharing option. This will open a panel showing everyone who currently has access. Inside this window, you'll see the list of people you've shared the file with, along with their current roles. These roles typically include viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on the level of access granted. You can quickly review these roles to understand who can edit or only view the file. If you only want to limit what someone can do, you can adjust their role by opening the drop-down next to their name. For example, you can switch an editor to a commenter or viewer, which restricts their ability to make changes while still allowing them to access the file. However, if you want to completely revoke access, you can select the same drop-down menu and choose the option to remove that person entirely. Once selected, confirm your changes to update the sharing settings. After completing these adjustments, the file permissions are updated instantly, ensuring that only the intended users can view or modify your content going forward. And that's it. You've successfully managed file access permissions in Google Drive, keeping your documents secure and well-controlled. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.